Hey everyone, welcome to Offbeat Life. My name is Tahir.
I'm Aneesa.
Today, we're going to tell you how you can get your very own free beginner's guide to plant-based eating. All you have to do is scroll below this video, sign up for our newsletter, and that's it. It'll be sent to you absolutely free. Now, Aneesa, why do people need to get this guide?
Well, this is a great resource to help you get started as you embark on your plant-based journey. It does things like answer frequently asked questions that we get from people that are starting out, as well as providing you with references to great resources, things like books, documentaries, and blogs to support you.
Absolutely. And along with that, we're not going to leave you stranded. We have included 10 recipes to get you started. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Healthy, tasty, all have you covered, so you're good to go from the beginning.
And if you're looking for more health and wellness tips, please do check out our YouTube channel, Instagram, as well as Facebook, all at Offbeat Life.
Yep. Remember, again, just scroll below, sign up for our newsletter, get your free beginner's guide to plant-based eating. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you around. See ya.
Bye.